Welcome to Vocab Loco. In this video, you'll learn how to set or change the current lesson for your students in progress mode. When students are assigned a word list in progress mode, they move through lessons sequentially. Passing a test on one list unlocks the next. But sometimes you need to move a student forward or back manually, and that's exactly what this tool is for. From your teacher dashboard, open the word list menu and go to your assigned lists. Find the word list group you want to work with and click. Set current lesson. The Set Student Lesson modal opens with a table showing each of your students and their lesson progress. You'll see numbered circles representing each lesson in the group. Green out circles are lessons the student has already passed, and the blue highlighted circle is where they currently are. Hover over any circle to see the lesson title. To move a student, simply click the lesson number you want them to start from. The update happens instantly and a confirmation appears right away. If you need to move several students at once, use the Select All Movable checkbox, then choose the destination lesson from the drop-down and click Apply. All selected students will be updated in one go. And that's it. Use this tool whenever a student needs a fresh start, needs to skip ahead, or joins the class mid-program. If you have any questions, visit the knowledge base. We're happy to help.